Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. My dear friends, in today's session, we will learn some sentences or phrases which will help you in times of emergency. So, let's start with our first sentence. Call the police. In Gujarati, we can say પોલીસને બોલાવો. Call the police. In Gujarati, we can say પોલીસને બોલાવો. Or in another way, you can say પોલીસને ફોન કરો. In another way, you can say પોલીસને ફોન કરો. I am repeating. Call the police. પોલીસને બોલાવો. પોલીસને ફોન કરો. So either you can use પોલીસને બોલાવો or you can say પોલીસને ફોન કરો. Alright? It's very simple. The next sentence is call an ambulance. એમ્બ્યુલન્સને બોલાવો. I am repeating. Call an ambulance. એમ્બ્યુલન્સને બોલાવો. Or in another way, we can say એમ્બ્યુલન્સને ફોન કરો. In another way, we can say એમ્બ્યુલન્સને ફોન કરો. Alright? I am repeating one more time. Call an ambulance. એમ્બ્યુલન્સને બોલાવો. Or in another way, we can say એમ્બ્યુલન્સને ફોન કરો. Alright, my guys? It's very simple. It's very easy. The very next sentence is I am lost. હું ખોવાઈ ગયો છું. I am lost. So in Gujarati, we can say હું ખોવાઈ ગયો છું. I am repeating. I am lost. હું ખોવાઈ ગયો છું. I am lost. હું ખોવાઈ ગયો છું. હું ખોવાઈ ગયો છું. Like that. The very next sentence is I need help. I need help. So in Gujarati, we can say મને મદદ જોઈએ છે. In Gujarati, we can say મને મદદ જોઈએ છે. Help means મદદ in Gujarati. Help is equals મદદ in Gujarati. Alright, my guys? The very next sentence is I'm in danger. હું મુસીબતમાં છું. I'm in danger. હું મુસીબતમાં છું. So in this sentence, danger is equals musibat. In this sentence, danger is equals musibat. Musibat. Okay? So the complete sentence will be હું મુસીબતમાં છું. Alright? In danger is equals મુસીબતમાં. In danger is equals મુસીબતમાં. So the complete sentence will be હું મુસીબતમાં છું. Alright, dear friends? The very next sentence is stay calm. શાંતિ રાખો. Stay calm. શાંતિ રાખો. So stay calm is equals શાંતિ રાખો in Gujarati. So in Gujarati, for stay calm, we can say શાંતિ રાખો. Alright, dear friends? The very next sentence is do not move. હલશો નહીં. Do not move. હલશો નહીં. Alright? Do not move is equals હલશો નહીં in Gujarati. So, for do not move in Gujarati, we can say હલશો નહીં. હલશો નહીં. Like that. The very next sentence is do not give up. Do not give up. So, in Gujarati, we can say હાર ના માનો. In Gujarati, we can say હાર ના માનો. It's very simple. I'm repeating for you. Do not give up. હાર ના માનો. હાર ના માનો. Like that. So, I am repeating one more time. Do not give up. હાર ના માનો. Alright, it's very easy, my dear friends. ખૂબ આભાર, my dear friends, to watching this video. I hope you are enjoying all videos and learning Gujarati very well. My dear friends, share this video to your friends, your family, so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. We'll meet again with a new video. Take care. Jai Shri Krishna.